Hello creatives, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you some tips and tricks on how you can achieve some different effects found in this design. So this tutorial, we are not going to be creating everything from scratch. It's just showing you tips and tricks. So if you are new to this channel and you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. And if you have not hit the notification bell, make sure you hit the notification bell now. And if you are an old subscriber, I would like to know in the comment section how this channel has been helpful to you. And again, let me know in the comment section if let me know in the comment section the kind of tutorial you want me to create next. I also have a motion design channel for people who are interested in learning motion design, so you can check me on the Spark Motion, because now this channel is all about graphic design, and this channel is the Spark Graphic. So I have a channel which is the Spark Motion. That's I create tutorials on how to create motion design using just your smartphone. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. Don't forget, this video, I'll not be creating everything from scratch. I just want to show you some tips and tricks on how you can create some like this kind of layout of shape. Yeah, so now let me first of all start with this particular how I was able to achieve this shape effect, where you have your city, that is your normal call, and WhatsApp. Yeah, so just do this. You just create a shape. Yeah, I create a shape like this. You increase your radius to 100 as seen on the original design. Then you go to your, I actually used a gradient color, but I'll just share the color code with you in case if you want to duplicate this design, if you want to learn how to create the design. Yeah, I'll make sure I drop the resources used for this design inside the description of this particular video. So I'll just go in, I'll just click on gradient, then this is the gradient color here. Yeah, I'll just share the color code with you. So you just click on this plus icon. Now on this color stopper, you click on this color stopper, then you click on color. You click on this icon. Yeah, here is the hex codes for you. So we have 871C09 again, 871C09. You just click on here, okay, and okay. Now on this other color stopper, I click on color, I click on this. We have DB4B31 again, DB4B31. You just click on here, okay, and okay, and okay. Now this is the layout of the gradient. This gradient is actually a linear gradient, so the darker portion of the darker field of the color is this way, while the lighter field is coming from this way. So if yours is like this, let me just give you the possibility on how your own gradient color can appear. Let's say if yours is like this, or is like this, or is like this, this is actually a radial gradient, or is like this, or like this. You can actually put it the way you want. Now for this tutorial, mine was I position it this way, then I take this way. Good job. So that's how you can actually play with your gradients. Remember, this is a linear gradient, this is radial gradient, this is a radial gradient. You can swap it here. Yeah, that is the light is coming from the middle. You can actually swap it. Good job. But I'll just customize mine like this. Yeah, I'll just customize mine like this, then I'll click on okay. So that's it. Now just click on this check mark, then bring it to front, now I'll make a duplicate of this. Duplicate. Then when you make a duplicate, immediately after you make a duplicate, just come to edit. so that this particular shape will just appear back on top of this one. This one will just appear back on top of this one. Then from there you can edit. Now you just click on edit, then you change the color. Now I'll just as seen on this design, you see that this particular area is not rounded. It's only this ending of this, the starting of the shape and the ending of the shape is rounded. But this where you are having this call icon, the shape here is not rounded. So this is what I'll do. I'll just take it to 0, then I'll change the color to white. That is a solid color. I'll just change it to white. Yeah, then I'll do something. I'll just, yeah, so this is how I was able to create this particular effect. Now I'll make again a duplicate, then I'll go to edit. Now I'll use the gradient color to actually create this line. I'll use a gradient color. Now I'll click on gradient. Yeah, then I'll do something like this. Sorry, I'll go back again, copy, edit, edit. I'll go in for a gradient color as seen on the original design. I'll just do something like this, then take this way. Yeah, then I'll just click on my check mark, but it is too thick, so I'll delete, edit. Sorry. It's not really easy. That's because I'm using a mouse. It's because I'm using a mouse. My mouse is no more working, so I don't know. Okay, my mouse is no more working, so I'll just use my hand. I'll click on that, make a duplicate, edit. Then I'll change the color to a gradient color. Then I'll reduce this. I'll also reduce this. Then click on OK. Now just struggle to position it, yeah, to something like that. So that's how I was able. Okay, my mouse is now working. I was able to create that particular, yeah, this particular effect. But this particular shape is too, let me see if I can, sorry, wait, let's just allow it like that. I'll just take undo. So this is how I was able to achieve this effect. Then I'll just go to my import, bring in this icon, go to import again, bring this other icon and place it here. So that's that for that. Let me delete it. So you see, at the end of the day, I used 3 shape just to come out with one effect. So let me just delete everything. To delete everything, just highlight, then you just click on delete, so you can delete everything at once. Now these lines, for you to create this line is still the same. Just do something like this. Yeah, do something like this. Do something like this. Then, yeah, then perfect. Now you just change the color. Sorry. Now you just go to gradient color, you change the color. Yeah, so that's how I was able to create these lines. So that's how I was able to create these lines. This is the line. So I want to create this one this way. I'll just go back. Now do this. I'll do this. Then take this. Then I'll just change the color to the gradient color as seen on the original design. Now this is the shape. This is the line. This is the line. So that's how I was able to create some of these things using Pixellab. Now how can you achieve this kind of effects here, where you have this shape, you have another white shape, before you have this rounded image inside a rounded shape. So let me just show you. You do this, create a shape, go to gradients, yeah, apply a gradient as seen on the original design, relative position to the center. Now see this. Now you now create, take a duplicate, make a duplicate of this, go to edit, and change it to a solid color, change it to a solid color. Then you go in for something like this, just struggle to scale it down. You click on OK, make a duplicate. This is too big, so I will just delete, make another duplicate. Yeah, I'm okay with that, so I'll still make another duplicate. I'm okay. No, I'm not okay with this, so this is what I'm going to do. I'll edit, I'll just try to, yeah, I'm okay with this. Let me see, I'll just make a duplicate. No, it's too big. Let me see. I'll just edit this and try to, yeah, try to increase it like that. Then I'll make a duplicate to see. I'll make a duplicate to, sorry, it's too big, it's too big, it's still big, so I'll roll back. Yeah, then I'll roll back. I'll still make another duplicate and position it here. Now see, this is what we are going to do. I will relative position all the shapes to the center. So relative position to the center, 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 relative position to the center. Now I'll come to my this my layer icon. I'll just click on it, then I'll come to this icon, this one here, this one. I'll click on it like that. Then I will select the different shapes. Now I'll come to this, I'll click on it, then I'll come to, sorry, I'll come to this position element and tool. I'll just position it like this. Yeah, perfect. Then I'll click on the toppermost shape. I'll do something like this. I'll come now again to the toppermost, do something like this. Come again to the toppermost, do something like this. Just move it. I'll just move it like this. Yeah, then perfect. So I'll go back to just highlight all of them, then try to see if I can balance it. Yeah, just try to see if I can balance it all at once. Yeah, I'm good to go. Now this is what you are going to do to, I don't know, my mouse is no more working, or maybe I have low batteries, that is low power. I'll buy a new batteries after this. Okay, it's here. Now this is what we are going to do. To now have this rounded circle on these various shapes. This is what we are going to do. We are just going to make a duplicate like this. Now go to edit, sorry, delete, edit, Yeah, at times when your phone is tired. Okay, let me just use this. I'll just change the color first for visibility, because I wonder you should be seeing what's happening. So I'll change the color for visibility. See something. Now this is what we are going to do. I'll come to my radius. I'll, yeah, just do something like this. Perfect. So if I'm cool with this, I can, yeah, just, okay, say I'm good to go. Now just position, just balance it. Okay, balance it again a bit. Balance it again a bit. Then delete this. So now I'll just insert an image into this shape. Let's see something before we start distributing. Okay, so I'll go to let me just insert any, yeah, let me just insert something like this. Just focus, yeah, on this area. If your image is repeating, you scale it again. Yeah, in web development you have grid repeat, sorry, motion zero have grid repeat. Yeah, then now I'll come now to apply this stroke. I'll just come to stroke, then yeah, I'll just apply, let me say, a stroke color like that. But if you are creating this tutorial, you just pick the color from the design. So add my stroke width. I'll give it a stroke width of 3%. Yeah, so this particular design is this particular shape is balanced on this white. Now I can make a duplicate. I can just continue making my duplicates. Then yeah, make my duplicates. Delete this. So from here I can, let me just try to balance this manually a bit. um yeah, so I can just be changing the different, delete this. Yeah, I can just be changing the different images in that um can just, oh, okay, yeah, I can just be changing a different, yeah, let me use this. Then I click on, that's my image is repeating here, so I just scale it. Yeah, good job. You do the same process for the remaining shapes. You do the same process for the remaining shapes. You do the same process for the remaining shapes. The same process. Yeah, I just do the same process for the remaining. Yeah, you just, if it is repeating, you scale it. So you do the same process. Is the design is very simple. Please, I want to know that in the comment section if you had any difficulties in creating this same project using your Pixellab. So let me know in the comment section, please. I'm not creating this tutorial for myself, but I'm creating it for you. So if you have any difficulties, please drop it inside the comment section of this video, because this tutorial is for you, not for me. Good job. So that's that. Now how can we like carry all these elements at once. So we have our normal background, then we have these four white shapes. Yeah, are you seeing them? We have the four white shapes. We have the four different white shapes plus the shapes. Pixellab is kind of stressful than Photoshop. Yeah, it's kind of stressful. It's stressful than Photoshop because with Photoshop you use smaller amount of shape to achieve that particular same effect. Yeah, let me just use this image for tutorial sake. Good job. My image is repeating, so I'll just scale it, yeah, to 115. Good job. So this now let me show you on how you can actually work on this image. So let me go to layer and just, yeah, let me just duplicate this image. Yeah, this is the image. So let me show you on how you can actually like increase the clarity of that particular image. So you just go to color filters. Color filters. Now you increase your saturation. Please don't take your saturation to hundreds. Yeah, because you cannot do something like this for a client. Like when you are done, you say, "Hi ma, I'm done." They will look you like if you are mad. And don't, if except you want to like desaturate it, like you want to turn this particular image into black and white, that's where you can take your saturation to -100. But that's not the aim of this tutorial. We want to actually, now if you want to do, yeah, if you want to undo your effect, you just click on this undo icon here. You just click on it. If you want to accept it, you click on it. If you want to cancel it, you click on this. You want to undo. Yeah, so perfect. Let's see how we can increase the brightness of this image. So I'll just give it a saturation of 9, a brightness of 5, okay, let's say brightness of 7, and a contrast of 6. I'll increase again my saturation a bit. Yeah, I'm cool with a saturation of 15. So you see the difference. Let me reduce. This is the saturation is, yeah, let's say saturation of 10. You see this is actually the difference between the, this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. This is the after. So that's that for that. That's that for that. Now I want to show you how you can carry all. Let's first of all count the layers. We have one, we have one, we have two, we have three, we have four, we have four, we have five, we have six, we have seven, we have 8, and we have 9. So let's see how we can carry all of them at once. At once. Let me first of all balance this. Yeah, so this is to like carry all of them at once and position it somewhere. You just go down to your layer tool. Now we counted it, and all the elements here was 9. So this is what we are going to do. You just click on this icon. You start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is the oga kwata kwata, the one behind 9. Yeah, they come down to this icon. You come to this position 2. Yeah, so that's how you can carry more than one element in Pixellab and position it to wherever you want to position. You must not merge. So that's that for that. Now let's see how we can delete all of them at once. So you just mark, you just tick, there, this is the delete. Yeah, we have deleted all the elements at once. This design is very simple. For the background color, the background color is white. It's white. You just apply, yeah, this is it, white. So you just apply a white background color, and the size for this design is a square. So this is it, 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel. Let me share the color codes again with you for this particular design. Let me share the color codes again with you. So let me share the color codes. Yeah, this is the gradient color. So on this color stopper, you click on color, click on this. We have 871309. On this other stopper, you click, we have GB4B31. So that's the color code for this project. Let me delete these elements, this, yeah, that line. So for the text, I use poppins here. I use poppins. So from services, this way, go here, all are poppins. Even this makeover is poppins. Now this one, this Amina's beauty, is beta. I use beta font. So let me show you something. Let me just make a duplicate. I'll just go to fonts. I use beta. So beta, let me just type beta. If you don't have the font, you can kindly go on Play Store and download it. Yeah, this is the beta font. I have the family, so but I'll just drop it inside, yeah, the description of this video. So I used beta font. Actually, beta is a group of family fonts. I use beta. Then for this touch, for this touch, let me check the fonts. Touch, let me just type touch. So that's touch, Amina's beauty touch. So touch, I use different fonts. Touch, yeah, Pixellab scatter project is normal. It's very normal. Let me first of all show you the touch, then I'll show you how to solve if you experience Pixellab scatter project. Here you can use Agita Karin. Let's see this. Touch. Okay, you can go in for yes, you can go in for Brutary signature. It's almost the same but not the same. Just go in for Brutary signature. I'll just drop it inside the description of this video. Now this is called Pixellab scatter project. You see how all the elements have, like, they have disordered. So how can you solve this problem? To solve this problem, just go to your, click on this three plus icon, go to recover autosave. Okay, now check again here. You see available autosaves, because any changes you do in Pixellab just do the autosave at once. Now let's see. Now February 22 2025, 30 minutes 30 seconds, 11 minutes, and that's the time is, let's see, okay, 4 o'clock. So recover autosave. Now I have, now at this time, while we got our Pixellab project scattered. So let's check at 25 seconds. 9 minutes 4 o'clock p.m. So good job, good job. So this is when our project was okay. Yeah, now if you go back to recover autosave, let's say you click on this time. This is the time that you had Pixellab scatter project. So go back, recover autosave. So at this time our project was cool. So that's how you can recover immediately if you have Pixellab scatter project, how you can recover it. So that's for this particular tutorial. Actually this tutorial was not to create this design from start to finish. I just wanted to show you some tips and tricks on how you can create this design. It's very simple, and I would love to know in the comment section if I'll drop all the resources inside the link of this video. All the resources, I'll drop them so that you can actually practice. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe now, and don't forget to share my videos. Please share them so that other people can benefit just the way you are benefit, and so that YouTube will be recommending my videos. Okay, so this is the end for today's tutorial. Bye bye.